right, now we're shifting our focus to some breaking news coming in as far as the Tirupati Laddu adulterated ghee row is concerned. The ex-Tirupati Trust chairman moves the top court. Y.V. Subba Reddy calls for an independent probe panel. Reddy has called for the retired Supreme Court judge to hear the probe. And earlier, the Chief Minister Naidu had formed an SIT to probe the matter. Well, that is the big breaking news that we're getting you, as Reddy has called for the retired Supreme Court judge to head the probe. Remember earlier, the Chief Minister Naidu had formed an SIT to probe the matter. My colleague Harish is joining me on the phone line to get us more details. Well, Harish, what we're given to understand is that Y.V. Subba Reddy has called for the independent probe panel to be headed by a Supreme Court judge.
Now, 3 petitions have been filed, but this one is the most important petition filed by Y. Subba Reddy, and he says that all allegations are nonsensical, and the truth should come out. It also says that a pig fat 1 kilo costs rupees 1,400 and a ghee just costs rupees 400. And why should we mix pig fat with expensive pig fat with in the laddu in place of ghee? This is what he's saying, and says that the entire thing should be probed. Please seek a direction to constitute a committee under this monitoring, Supreme Court's monitoring and appointment of a retired Supreme Court judge to investigate and conduct independent inquiry into the allegations of substandard ingredients and animal fat in the ghee in the Tirupati Tirumala temple. Please say certain disclosures must be made in public domain. The subject matter requires a deeper and detailed inquiry. Preparation of laddus as prasadam has been sanctioned as part of the temple's custom and tradition protected under Article 25. It has to be regulated and supervised in the following manner in accordance with the procedures and process delineated by TTD. Despite the widespread concern among devotees worldwide, no proper explanation has been given by the state and center regarding Chandrababu Naidu's statement. On the contrary, politics is being played. So, Subba Reddy essentially says that, yes, we are ready to cooperate. Let the truth come out, and Supreme Court should form a committee, and a Supreme Court headed SIT should let the Supreme Court retired judge headed SIT probe, and let the truth come out. And all allegations of adulteration is completely nonsensical.
Absolutely. Thank you, Harish, for getting us those details. We shall leave it at that for the moment.